Welcome to HungryNaki University, an educational platform to help you learn, earn, and grow with us. In this video, we'll be giving you an overview of a latest feature, Shop Management. You will find this feature in the Manage Shop bar of your option panel. Here are some useful options you can avail from this feature. Outlet Offline button. The feature will help you get a button to easily turn your outlet offline in case of emergency. Offlining on hour per day level. If your outlet needs to be offline for certain hours, you can select the hour option and decide on the time duration. If your outlet needs to be offline for certain days, you can select days option and decide on the time duration. For this option, you will have to specify why your outlet will remain offline. You can make your outlet offline for maximum 30 days. Once you offline your outlet, you will see a countdown till the moment the outlet turns back live. But if you want, you can turn it back live anytime by clicking on the slider. Timing update, seamless timing. After pressing the update timing option, you will be able to input your schedule for every day of the week. Once done, press update timing. Timing update, stitch timing. You will also be able to apply stitch timing on a day level. For that, press on add additional timing option and input your timing. Once done, press update timing. If you want your outlet not to be active on a specific day of the week, then you can simply unselect the day. For setting the date from when the new timing will be activated, press the select date button and mention the dates. Once updated, you can view from when the change will be activated. We hope this helps. To learn more, check the videos and playlist available on this channel.